So that is, of course, the world famous Roosevelt Park of Hamden, Baltimore, Maryland. And this is where the rubber meets the road here at Fish as They Fly Carpentry. This is a modifiable rack, you know, for building, for drying, for painting, for finishing. That's a shelf for tools and whatnot. Here's my workbench with a vise and a modifiable work surface. It just goes on and off. Yeah, not a bad little deal. We stuck in a little beam there to hold up these old joists, which, you know, all things considered, was a good decision. And this is where there used to be stairs. I think they were superfluous stairs, so they are now former stairs. They have been deleted. We're going to stick some hangers on these bad boys. They don't need it at all, but you know, just in case they ever decide to store, or we ever, I should say, decide to store a baby elephant in the pantry up there, we wouldn't want the baby elephant to fall into the basement unintentionally. Maybe I'll build a trapdoor so you can intentionally trap your baby elephant in the basement. Bicycle, bicicleta. An ancient, well, you know, it's a furnace. So, yeah, there used to be a toilet down here that was removed. That was not needed. So that's the shop. That's the shop. Such as it is. I made a lot of things down here, though. I'm still making a lot of things down here. For as motley as it looks. It's done all right by me, this little basement square. I must say. And my rickety, you know, well, it's not that rickety, but you know. Anyway, that is my shop.